I am here with Scott Cutler. He's the Executive Vice President and Head of Global Listings here at the New York Stock Exchange. And we're here to talk about Twitter, probably one of the most anticipated IPOs of the year, going public next week. How big of a get is it for the New York Stock Exchange to get this listing?
This is a significant listing for what it means for the New York Stock Exchange, and I think as well as retail investors that are looking to be excited about where innovation is happening in the economy, and Twitter exemplifies that opportunity.
We know that the NASDAQ has run into problems, lots of problems,
right.
Especially with Facebook's IPO last year. How are you hoping to avoid this here at the New York Stock Exchange?
What we're really focused on, and this is really our competitive advantage, is really providing transparency around the IPO process. We're very much focused on having an IPO that proceeds smoothly so that investors around the world can see actually what's happening around the IPO to avoid confusion. We're very much focused on making sure that we're building and establishing confidence in the process, which is the hallmark of having a physical floor and people here.
But the volume of trades that are expected to come in because this is one of the most anticipated IPOs, how do you know what to expect? Because that's kind of what caught the NASDAQ off guard with Facebook.
Well, we did some testing over the weekend to make sure that we had replicated the highest order flow that we could expect for a transaction. In terms of the overall transaction size, it's not the largest of IPOs, but we do expect a high retail order participation in the deal. And I think what we really try to do is make sure the systems are ready for the type of volume that we expect, and that the floor is ready to handle the process.
What kind of volume are you expecting?
Well, the deal is a little over $1 billion, and so it really just depends on the order flow that comes in from retail and institutional investors on that day. But I don't expect it to be something that we certainly couldn't handle.